Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the king-size bed frame that requires no box spring and offers a robust 14-inch heavy-duty platform capable of supporting up to 3,000 pounds. This bed frame is designed with multi-angle bracing supported by 9 legs, ensuring stability and preventing any mattress sinking, while offering a noise-free and non-shake comfort experience. Forget the hassle of matching a box spring, as this frame simplifies your setup and even provides convenient under-bed storage, helping you keep your room spacious and clutter-free. The intelligent integrated structure makes assembly a breeze, with clear instructions and all necessary tools included in the firm package. Plus, the frame is headboard and footboard compatible, with reserved holes for easy attachment, allowing you to create a personalized style that suits your taste. Measuring 79.6 by 75.6 by 14 inches, this sleek black metal bed frame combines fashion with functionality, making it a perfect addition to any bedroom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.